Hello friends, my name is Abhishek and in this video I am going to teach you a trick in MS Word that how you can find any document MS Word files location. So friends, if you are working in any document and you want to see the path of that file, actually we are not getting to know that where this file is located actually. Like my file is DSH coaching classes, and if you want to search this file, and you just have to search in desktop or whether in C drive, D drive or any other drive, so it will be easier to you if you are working on MS Word in any versions, and if you use document location trick, that will be beneficial for you. So how you can find the location I am showing you. So friends, you just can click on the office button, and here you will find Word options, and here you will find customize options. You have to go there, customize options like this, or you can just click in any blank area in your ribbon bar or in your tab bar, menu bar, like just beside view option. You just have to click right button from your mouse key or mouse, and you have to choose customize quick access toolbar here, and here you can find the customize option. This is same like you went through office option. So you have to choose here, choose commands from, like you have to choose second one command not in the ribbon, means those commands will be shown that are not in ribbon. So when you click there, you will find here in alphabetic manner document location. So here you can find that document location, and you can add from here, and this will be reflected here or this side. So you can click on OK, and you can see now the path or the location of this MS Word document or file. So friends, this is in Y drive and there is no folder, but this file name is reflected here, means in Y drive this file is saved. So let's go to the drive or Y drive like you are seeing here. So I am going to my document, and you can see here many drives, C, D, M, O, and I have created another drive named Digital Soft Hub, that is Y drive, and you can see here many files are here, and DSH coaching classes, DSH coaching classes file is saved here, and when I click there I reached there. Thank you.